Welcome to Vision English Academy.
Manali trip.
Hi. Are you also traveling alone?
Yes, I love solo trips. What about you?
Same here. I enjoy traveling and exploring new places.
That's great. Where are you from?
I am from Delhi. And you?
I am from Jaipur. First time in Manali.
No, I have been here before. What about you?
This is my first visit. The mountains are so beautiful.
Yes, the view is amazing. Do you like adventure sports?
A little. I want to try paragliding. Have you done it?
Yes, I did last year. It was thrilling.
That sounds exciting. What do you do?
I am a software engineer. And you?
I am a student. I am studying management.
That's nice. Do you like traveling?
Yes, it's my passion. I want to visit many places.
Same here. Any other favorite destination?
I want to go to Ladakh. And you?
I love Goa. The beaches are wonderful.
True. Have you been to other hill stations?
Yes, Shimla and Darjeeling. Have you?
No, but I want to visit Shimla next.
You should. It's a lovely place.
Thanks for the suggestion. Do you like photography?
Yes, I take a lot of pictures while traveling.
That's great. Do you have an Instagram page?
Yes, I do. Do you?
Yes, I love posting travel pictures.
Cool. Let's exchange Instagram handles.
Sure. What's your ID?
It's @travelwithme. And yours?
Mine is @wanderlustgirl.
Nice. I will follow you.
Thanks. So, do you prefer mountains or beaches?
Mountains, of course. And you?
Me too. I love the peace here.
Yes, it's so calm and refreshing.
Same here. It's fun and peaceful.
Do you like trekking?
Yes. I want to do a trek here.
You should try the Hampta Pass trek.
Sounds interesting. Have you done it?
No, but I have heard a lot about it.
I will check it out. What else do you like?
I love reading books. Do you?
Yes, especially travel stories.
That's nice. Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music while traveling.
Same here. It makes the journey better.
Absolutely. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music. And you?
I like Bollywood songs.
Great choice. Do you watch movies?
Yes, mostly travel-based movies.
Same here. They are so inspiring.
Yes, they make me want to travel more.
Have you tried local food here?
Not yet. Any suggestions?
Try Siddu. It's a local dish.
Thanks, I will try it.
Good choice. I might visit Rishikesh next.
That's a nice place.
Yes, I want to try river rafting.
Wow, that sounds fun.
Yes, I love adventure sports.
Me too. Let's plan a trek together someday.
That would be great.
Yes, let's stay in touch.
Sure, it was nice meeting you.
Same here. Have a great trip.
You too. Safe travels.
If you like this video, then please like and subscribe the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content.